Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project Alta Vista by Bharat Developers located in Andheri West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, which is also the actual land parcel of the project. You can see the construction is in full swing. Also, you can see the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this video, we will be talking about points like project overview, location, connectivity, internal and external amenities, cafeteria, master plan, floor plan analysis, parking, possession, maintenance, pros and cons and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do any query, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.7 acres that has a standalone tower with 2 wings of ground plus 5 level of podium plus 6 level of amenities plus 23 residential floors having 3 BHK residences. Also, Jodi and duplex options are available. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Lokhandwala Circle, Andheri West, from where International Airport is only at a distance of 20 minutes, SV Road is only at a distance of 10 minutes, Western Express Highway is only at a distance of 15 minutes, and you have Andheri Railway Station only at a distance of 10 minutes. Also, you can see upcoming metro station is right opposite to the project. Also, you have Lower Oshiwara metro station only at a distance of 3 minutes from the project. And now, talking about the internal amenities, you will be getting vitrified tiles, granite kitchen platforms, stainless steel sink, and many more internal amenities. Also, the floor to ceiling height is of 11 feet. And now, let's have a look at the model for the external amenities. This project has 30 plus external amenities with infinity swimming pool, gym, senior citizen zone, kids play area, indoor games, banquets and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the parking part, this project has podium level of car parking facilities. Now let's have a look at the master plan. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan of the residential project Bharat Alta Vista. Here you can see this is the one tower that has 2 wings with 3 BHK and Jodi and duplex options are available. And now let's have a look at the floor plan. As you can see in the image, this is the typical floor plan where you will have 12 flats, 10 lifts and 2 staircases on each floor. And now let's have a look at the unit plans. As you can see in the image, this is the unit plan of 3 BHK of 1283 square feet. Also, we have a model of the unit plan of 3 BHK of 1308 square feet. And now, talking about the maintenance part, the maintenance varies with cafeteria with 3 BHK maintenance ranging between 15,000 to 19,000 per month. And talking about the possession part, this project has RERA possession date for June 2029, but the target possession is for March 2027. Also, to know about the pros and cons of the project, you can visit our website www.housey.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project Alta Vista by Bharat Developers located in Andheri West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.